Cathal, where are you? We're gonna turn the car over. Hello, you. We only have a couple of minutes to make a tape, right? And we need footage for this week. So stop talking about wives and stuff. We can talk. We can go into the house in a while, have a cup of coffee, and relax.
I want no coffee, right? Anyway, we're gonna do some grinding.
What kind of bumping and grinding, like?
No.
Like this.
No way.
Did you have a good holiday, Chris?
Huh?
Did you have a good holiday?
No, I'm tired.
I think the couch is the best idea you've ever had. Oh, look, I'm just going to lie here and... Here, get it closer and you can actually do the work.
People know anyway, nothing anyway, so when you sit back and do nothing.
It's true, actually.
Instead of standing there and do nothing.
And the compressor off,
It'll turn itself off in time. Have you got something to say?
Wrecking my head.
Give us a little...
No, lad, seriously, you're wasting all the video time of listening to press. Turn it off.
Alright, boy, alright. Give us your review on the manifold, Cathal, because we know you like to...
It's alright, like.
It's alright, like.
Get him a needle the same, like.
Does it play a tune?
You're mad, your cheese.
Go on, play a tune. Just blow into it. Just blow into it.
Which hole?
Oh, what?
Go and give her an old shimmy with me, like.
Huh?
See that?
What is that
He
noise?
lined it up and jammed it in. Lad, the rain's heavy tonight.
It is, isn't it? It's like a jingly kind of rain.
Get a board and put it
I would say like a glove, but I've never seen gloves close up like that.
Don't go behind me.
I won't. Try not to.
Come over here.
What's the crack, kid?
Copper nuts.
Tell you what, he's a right fancy man, isn't he?
Just live in hell.
Is this the last fit of the manifold, Chris?
Yeah.
Hope so. What's left to do, Chris?
Put the tab on. I'm wiring. A little bit of wiring.
Oh, Chris, that's cool. What did you make that out of, Chris? The piece of pipe there coming off the turbo for the return?
Just some stock aluminium, I
Stock aluminium, yeah? So you didn't like rob an old lady's...
No, I bent it up myself.
You did, yeah?
I'm tired.
What do you prefer, making barrows or making
Tell me what
babies?
you gotta tell me.
What do you prefer, making barrows or making babies?
What?
What do you prefer, making barrows or making babies?
You didn't really make the barrel.
Probably a 13B, with billet impates and billet housings and
Didn't ask that question, Christopher.
centre bearing housing.
You can't dream, you know. It's never going to happen.
Huh?
It's never going to happen.
Carl's gonna buy a rotary.
Nah, jeez.
Backwards.
Huh?
Is it not sitting? Is
What's
it?
the nuts?
Is the turbo not sitting off the manifold, Chris?
Huh?
Not hitting off the manifold.
No.
Jesus, you're good. I forgot to bring the big filter. I have a big filter for it at home, Chris.
Yeah.
I do. Yeah, I got that ages ago. It's left on the floor. Forgot to bring it out. Cane in.
You're showing people my wallet.
There's nothing in it, a load of cobwebs. Nice to see you again. To see you nice. What has Chris been up to? Do you want to talk us through it?
I don't know, I haven't been here. I don't live here.
All right. Chris, Cathal's in bad form. Why didn't you tell us what you've been up to?
No.
Huh?
No.
Just talk us through what you've been up to.
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing. You're doing something there, aren't you?
Just turning the dishwasher on. That's.
That the nickname for the bar now, is it?
Huh?
You've done a few bits, haven't you?
Huh?
You got all the starter and the alternator wiring finished as well.
No, nothing. Finished the alternator wiring. I'll just get some oil pressure up and then I'll finish the wiring.
Okay. That stuff wasn't cheap, like.
Oh yeah, I didn't get it off Wish for about 20 rolls for 5 bob.
I did actually.
I knew it wasn't even a fiver, was it? How much was it?
£6.
I knew it.
Did you tighten the turbo and all that, Chris?
You did.
Did you order the pipe, Chris?
You did not.
Yeah.
What should it cost? £10?
$49.99.
It did you? We arse. At least you got to keep a cent for yourself, innit? I see you've all the wires injected up. That makes no sense. I see you've all the injectors wired up. Did you figure out that fan yet, no?
I've just been cleaning up. What fan?
That fan.
You've got my fan.
It's a too familiar sight, Christopher. It's a too familiar sight. Did I just call him Christopher? Yeah. What's wrong with that? How are you going to, what are you going to do? Put out the starter?
No, I'm just going to see what's going on. It worked perfect on the ground.
I know, I remember. And it engaged on the ground, didn't it?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I really need to get an old differential, Chris, don't I?
Yeah.
I'll have it there the weekend. I meant to have it last weekend,
I
but...
wanted this weekend, but that's all everyone we had this weekend.
What, the diff?
Yeah.
What do you mean you told everyone we had the diff?
Asking wants to store them. I said, yeah, I should be running some of the diff is kept this weekend. Like flat.
What a weird thing to say.
See, yeah, that Forest Lane sponsored by the other street or whatever.
Is it?
Man, the drifter. Oh my god.
I love the way he says that Forest Wang, you know, like he's from Ballingeary or something.
As if he's a nobody. Yeah.
You know Forest Wang, they're from Ballingeary. Christ, I know, man. Couldn't he drive the Maxi?
It drives like a... Slow down, you dust devil, I said.
Down to Ballingeary for a burger.
Slow down, you dust.
You hooligan. He was testing again on the roadway, huh? Right.
He had a few points from me.
I like what you did with the old return there, Christopher. Bye. You're good at the old fabrication. Bye. Cathal, Cathal, where are you? We're gonna turn the car over. Hello, Elton. You actually went and did a proper job out of him, like.
Yeah, I think you can.
Use Migo or use Tigwire. What do you think of the starting program of the car?
I think I had class and easy today.
Right, Chris, you gonna give her an old fire?
No?
Why?
What's that? I need someone to hold the oil pressure on the turbo.
Oh, watch them wires there, by Jesus Christ almighty tonight. Why is there no oil coming out, Chris?
Any oil yet?
Does he know what he's doing?
No. You're looking at facing him glasses.
Check the...
Did you put oil in the car?
Yeah, maybe it'll fall out.
No, it's definitely still there.
Is that?
Right, Chris, tally ho.
Look at him.
Pull out the chocks.
Oh.
Oh, oil.
Oh, boy.
Hey!
Oh, boy. Hi, oh, boy.
Tighten it up on the turbo, boy.
Yeah, tighten up the turbo. Are we going to give her a starter for the crack?
Can we start?
We know petrol.
I'll go for petrol. Can we please start?
No, there's still a bit more to do.
What's that smell, Chris?
That's the smell of the dream time.
What did he say?
Check the fittings out in the oil cooler around the oil filter and stuff.
For oil?
Yeah.
There's nothing on the floor in there.
Don't use the floor, look around the body.
Oh, I get what you mean.
Check around the fittings. There's nothing on the floor.
Whoa, you lunatic.
Stop cursing, lad. There's no cursing in the video.
Why are you cursing, Joe?
Yeah, cursing works.
Because you nearly cut my hand off with a pulley, that's why.
Nearly never bulled a cow.
Do you want to go get some fuel?
I'm
Really?
going to bone when it started.
Really?
Yeah, if you want to start it, we'll carry on, we'll do it.
Really?
I'm off
And actually run it?
I'm off tomorrow, so we
Go
can-
down and get petrol. I have petrol at home, why didn't you tell me?
I petrol home.
Can you not siphon it out of his car?
No,
Actually, I put premium 95 in my car. So I can siphon it.
Premium 95, wow.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Are you going to the drag later?
I got drag my across your forehead.
One at a time.
Where are we going? Hello? Hello? Chris has told us that we were going starting the car, so we're going to get some petrol. We're going to siphon it out of someone's car because there's no petrol stations around these woolly neighbourhoods. Alright?
Like siphon out of someone's car. If that was true, we'd just siphon out of my car. I wouldn't be driving to another car.
Alright, boy. Why are you so
Technically correct.
accurate tonight?
Technically correct.
Oh, on this week's episode, I think I'll be completely accurate. Watch this bump up here.
I know, boy.
Alright, bye.
Don't put that in.
I will. Oh my dear God! Oh my dear God! You're actually,
Don't spill it, man.
you're actually. I think you have special needs. You know that. Come on, you're going. I'm watching the tube. Is it going up the tube now? I haven't seen it move on the tube yet.
I know we're fitting it, like we don't need it in full.
Oh, that's true, actually.
It's plenty. She's not coming, she's not reading here at all. Like.
Oh, she is.
Oh,
See, she's-
a spit like.
Yeah, but she's
Chris,
got.
there's no point throwing all that petrol in, is there? There's no point throwing all that petrol in.
Of course, he's going to say that.
I know, yeah, but Chris, you obviously want it for the lawnmower, like.
Is the bottom one leaking, Chris?
No, I think it's this side actually.
Praise the Lord. That's an easy enough side to fix, like.
Did you bring the throttle cable?
Oh my god.
Sorry, say again?
The throttle cable.
I missed your disappointed face when I said no.
Why is she not going to start though?
Yeah, you can't start it, Chris, without the throttle cable.
Yeah.
Well,
God.
it's easier for me to be on the laptop and use the
Well, I
throttle.
could just stand here and throttle for you.
Oh, wonderful.
Of course.
Why do you love him so much and I don't get any accolades?
We defend each other.
Yeah.
When being around.
Against the monster that is Chargiri.
Yeah, monster of love.
Monster of Gaylords.
Giant killer.
Aww.
That hasn't killed a giant in years. On the
Aww.
2015, since you haven't killed a giant. Now he knows that I said, thanks for that update, yeah?
I like when you're factually funny. You're not very neat with the wiring, I must say.
I haven't finished the bloody shit yet.
Shit.
I love wine, no.
I'm fixing this bloody fuel line setup which you've done.
I didn't do that at all. That was coming from the factory.
Come on, huh?
What?
It's good.
No leaks.
Right?
Did you check the back? Did you check the back?
What back?
The back. Yeah, but the second pump is running on, is it? Feel the fittings there. And just...
I am, I'm feeling them all. I'm not on my way. Check that side, will you? And I'm feeling fuel.
I'd say she needs more juice in it.
She's plenty, like.
Where? She does, he's my arse.
I think he's gonna run for about 2 seconds.
1000cc, running at 50%.
Go on, so give us your calculations. Hey,
How much am I gonna give her?
don't just give her a tiny bit, as in keep her idling. No, don't give her anything yet.
Give her anything.
Tell us when you're ready, Chris.
A small one.
Oh! Any fire extinguisher now? Any fire extinguisher now?
Huh?
Have you a fire extinguisher? Whoa! What's wrong, Chris? How did that happen?
Right, yes.